Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to create page template in Shopify. First things first, make sure to log in your account. And if you don't have an account yet, just click the free trial. Now, after you log in, you will head on into this dashboard and locate for sales channel. And under online store, tap themes. You have two options to create your template, either edit the codes or use the customizer. For now, let's use the customizer and tap customize. At the header of the page, you can see the home page. Click and select for pages. At the bottom, tap create template. Now enter your template name. Since we will create a new one, let's set it into default page and tap create template. Now, let's go back to the main dashboard. At the top left corner, click exit and let's refresh the page. Locate for pages. Now at the top right side, click add page button and enter the page title. For now, let's use AI to generate our content. Tap keep. So this will serve as the description of your template. At the right side, click template and select the template we created earlier. At the top, click save. Now, we're able to preview the template. Tap preview. Now, this is how the template look like. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.